Tint, not your average hybrid, back with another vid. And today, I picked up a little something from, my little spot. As you can see, the detail garage. Let's see what I got. As you can see, detail garage. Where I'm from is not too far from me. I'm not sure where you guys are from, if you guys even have a detail garage. But what it pretty much is, it's an all chemical guys store. So we're gonna be doing probably the last car wash for the year, since it's about to start getting cold out. So probably get the last wash in, nice little wax, and yeah, we're gonna. But on my way to the car wash destination now. About to pull up on my mans. Got some tint on his whip. We're gonna see that too. So stay tuned. I guess I talked to you guys on my way to the destination, but yeah, for those that don't know, yeah, I'm from Maryland, Baltimore to be exact. You feel me? But yeah, like I was saying before, we have a detail garage here. It's all chemical guys stuff. Guess it must be sponsored by them, but yeah, everything you need, from wash mitts, the buckets, the wet to waxes, the washes, the pretty much anything, tools, anything you need, they got it all. They even got detail classes if you want to learn how to detail. They got a 5-day class where you can learn everything. Get the extra certification too. It's pretty cool. But yeah, on my way. As you can see, it's 64 degrees out here. Last warm day for the week. Get the last wash out, shine it up, wax it. I usually wax my car like twice a year. One time during the summer, and one time during the winter, just for some extra protection. But definitely in the winter before the snow hits, because all that road grime and all that salt, your paint, it really eats away at it. But I ain't gonna talk your head off. I'll be there in a few. Alrighty guys, pulling up to the spot now. Look at them pops. Come on, cuz. It's a nice blue, but come on, cuz. Sir. Alrighty guys, if you want to know what I got, boom, got this chemical guys, woolly mammoth microfiber drying towel. Pretty big. Also got this chemical guys, Eco Smart, let's wash and wax. Tool interior, cleaner and protectant, dash glass, navigation, and more. Got a detail brush for detailing my leather, cleaning my leather. And the last thing is a tire brush, so you can use this to apply your tire dressing. I have a gel type of tire dressing. This is the best brush that works for that. They have a brush for what I have, like a gel base type tire gel, and they have a water base, but this is the good brush for the gel base type. But this is everything I got, and this is ran me about $60, so not bad for all this. Give it a look. Yeah, not bad, not bad. You know me, I keep all the necessities in the trunk. All the car care products, you know. What I just grabbed, you know, bucket with the microfibers. Windshield washer. Juice. Rain-X, you know. This is a must. And you know, more tails. Wash mitt still fresh and packed. So you know what we about to get into. Y'all are looking mint shit. You got the 20s on the side, in the front, and the back. Yes, sir. Yeah, you know. Yeah, like I was saying, my man's got 50 on his windshield and 20 all around. Factory tail in the back. Nice. Now we're about to get to the car wash part. Already did my interior, wiped it down, did my leather, wiped down all the panels, vacuumed, the whole 9. Whole 9 looking real clean. What's your car wash? You pulling up first or me? Bro, you heard it here, folks. Car wash time. guys, and the car is all clean as you can see. Give you a nice walk around. Yes, sir. You see him gleaming. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah, you see him. Sheesh. Check that joint out. See the reflection. Sheesh. And that's how you super clean your car. So I definitely recommend all these chemical guys stuff. They know exactly what they're doing in the car game, from the wash mitt all the way to the dry mitt. So that's pretty much it, guys. Not your average hybrid. And you know the motto. Gone.